Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Tilno and today is the week 3, day 13 of our 10 weeks lean body challenge. And we will be doing drop set back with high intensity interval training. First, I am doing 2 sets of single arm kettlebell and cable setups as a warm up to activate my back and core. Get ready to burn thousands of calories because this session is not going to be an easy one. So let's get started. 5 drop set HIIT back and oblique workout. So the first exercise after warm up is deadlift with barbell and medicine ball. I will be doing 3 sets each with 15 to 20 reps. After deadlift, this is the first set of medicine ball without any rest. I'm doing 15 reps with this weighted medicine ball. Deadlift is one of the best total body exercise for building muscle and burning fat. Always ensure that you squeeze the bar as hard as you can, especially in heavier sets. Medicine ball exercises are effective in developing balance and core strength. Keep your head in neutral position throughout the lift. Give extra attention on your form. Don't round your back. My last drop set I am doing with medicine ball. It is weighted ball used for strength training. Rounding it during heavy deadlift can injure your back. Moving on to the second drop set, that is lat pull down and battle row. I am doing 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. In lat pull down, squeeze the shoulder blades together while maintaining square shoulder. Just 10 minutes of swinging. This rope burns 112 calories. If the elbows go backward, it will put excessive stress on the shoulder joint. The benefit of battle ropes is that they target muscles that are often left out of standard training routines. Be sure your forearms are not doing the work of pulling the bar down. You want it to come from your back. In this, you work your arms along with your back, chest, legs and core. Moving on to the third drop set, that is V-bar close grip and medicine crunch toss. I'm doing 3 sets with 20 reps. The first set 60 lbs with 20 reps, drop set 40 lbs with 15 reps and 15 reps with medicine crunch toss without rest. Always focus on driving your weight downwards using your elbows rather than your hands. Keeping your attention on squeezing your lats at all times. It is a core body strength move that activates your shoulder and chest in addition to strengthening your abs. Just make sure you are selecting a right amount of weight that allow you to feel your lats working. The continuous movement of this exercise will increase your heart rate and help you to burn more calories than you would in just an ab crunch alone. Moving on to the third drop set, that is cable pull down and slams. I'm doing 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. Make sure to brace the abdominal and feel the squeeze when you pull down. I'm doing 20 reps with this slam. Engage your core muscles and elevate your torso. If you do this exercise properly, you will find that your abdominal muscles are working hard. I have 15 kg slam and I am going to do 20 reps. Slams are an effective way to challenge and tighten your core. If your grip is too wide, you will not able to get the full range of motion. And in the last set, 12 reps. It is also increase your heart rate, which means burning more calories. Moving on to the last drop set, that is cable row and sledgehammer. I will be doing 3 sets with 15 to 20 reps. First set 80 lbs 15 reps and drop sets 50 lbs 15 reps. and 30-second sledgehammer. Learn to engage your abs and use your legs while keeping your back straight, which can help prevent strain and injury. I'm doing same drop set like previous. You can also use the sledgehammer as a warm-up exercise before starting your workout. Use your forearms for the motion rather than moving your torso. Keep your torso still throughout the exercise. Keep your back and chest straight and squeeze your shoulder blades together as you row. It will strengthen muscles, tendons and ligaments in the wrist, elbow and shoulder girdle. Moving on to the obliques. First exercise is hyper bench oblique crunch, and I'm going to do 3 sets 20 reps each side. In this position, the pad of the platform to be at hip level. Pause at the top, feel the contraction and slowly lower yourself down again. This is an advanced exercise as it requires good balance. Be careful when first doing this exercise. Moving on to the second exercise, that is wood chopper oblique twist. You can wood chops with a medicine ball or a dumbbell, but the cable will give a constant tension, which is preferable. The wood chop also engages the muscle of your back, shoulder and legs. Moving on to the cable oblique crunch. I'm doing 3 sets with 15 reps each side. It fully engages the entire abdominal wall and the lower back, which supports your spine. It will activate your stabilizer muscle and reduces the risk of injury. Take a big breath in and engage your core. The last set is hanging knee raises, and I'm doing 3 sets with 15 reps. Don't allow the body to swing back and forth. Avoid jerking your leg up. Instead, contract your core to generate movement. Your spine should remain flat, neutral throughout the movement. That's all for the day. Don't forget to stretch your back and core. See you all tomorrow. Till then, stay safe and stay fit.